Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the machine on solid, level ground and lowering all attachments. This stabilizes hydraulics so you can safely work. Next, shut the engine off, remove the key, and disconnect the battery negative to prevent accidental activation. Once done, open the cab and remove the seat or access panel to reach the control valve housing and linkage. Make sure to collect small fasteners in a tray and take a quick photo of the original control layout for reference before you begin disassembly. You now label every wire with tape and number so reassembly is foolproof. This saves time and prevents cross-wiring. Then unbolt the existing switch assembly and gently extract the connector, noting its orientation and any locking tabs. Once exposed, inspect the wiring harness and terminals for corrosion or frayed insulation, replace damaged clips, or use heat shrink tubing where needed. While you work, keep bolts organized and test fit the replacement switch in place to confirm clearance and handle travel before final mounting. Install the new or reconfigured switch, torque fasteners to spec, reseat panels and reinstall the seat, reconnect the battery negative terminal last. Once done, perform a controlled function test. Have a spotter watch wheels and attachments while you operate each control slowly to confirm correct direction and travel limits. If something feels wrong, stop immediately. A key troubleshooting tip: intermittent behavior often comes from a poor ground or bent connector pin. Check continuity and clean contacts before assuming a major failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.